Okay, sorry about mine. Hey guys, I'm playing around the Fortnite with my bud Zayden, and I have something to say.
Hey, radio.
Zayden, go check out his channel. What's your channel name?
I'll give a link down. I'll comment.
Just tell me your channel name so I can tell them.
Okay. It's gonna be the Visitor. The V's gotta be capitalized.
Wait, is that your YouTube channel name?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, listen. Yeah, if you couldn't hear him, go subscribe to the Visitor. The V is capitalized in that, and right now we aren't really super good, but we're sort of good, semi-pros. As you can see, this is my friend D-Mask. I hope you guys know I'll never clickbait you. Like, even if my channel's dying, I will never clickbait you just to get more views. Okay? Always remember that. So, Zayden, where we landing, boys? Also, have I told you guys yet? Make sure to go check out his channel and drop a like there. Drop a like on my channel, too. Hey, Zayden, where are we dropping, though? Salty? Here we go. You need to speak up, by the way. What about Widowmaker? So, guys, also, Zayden, do you have a Musical.ly yet? Taking that as a no.
Dude, so football. Sorry, my mic just keep cutting out, but so football keeps messaging me.
What is he saying?
He said, "I never stole nothing. You're trying to take Sickly away from me."
Bro, does he even know we aren't best friends anymore?
I don't know. Okay, I'll invite him to the party. And I'll be like,
okay,
shut
guys,
up. Also,
listen. On Xbox, go follow SoFootball. Add him as a friend and say, Sickly had you to come. And just give him a little bit of sympathy because, I mean, like...
He's annoying as F.
Sometimes he can be. Just don't let him ever take advantage of you.
He steals your stuff on Fortnite.
Okay, yeah.
He stole my shotgun
shells. That's really true. I can agree.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Look.
Come look at this,
Here come. It's kind of hard to go. What the heck? Bro, I see it from down here. WTF?
So I can get in this chest.
Hey guys, bro, the missile's active. Look at it, it's like lighting up red right now.
Oh my god.
What did you do, bro? Did you activate the missile on accident?
No. Just because I'm the visitor does not mean shit.
This was you. You brought a part of your home with you, bro. Bro, you're collecting rocks.
Okay, guys, hey, this one. Okay, first video going on here. Hey guys, this is my first video. My name is Visitor. Because I'm playing as the Visitor. So I'm just going to zoom in on this. Place this down.
By the way, make sure to go follow me on Musical.ly. It is Butternubs. Capital B. Make sure to follow me.
Go follow Sickly. Go follow Sickly on Musical.ly. His name is Butternubs. How you spell it is there's this crazy like activated. Just because I'm the visitor of Sickly does not mean crap.
Yes, it does. Either that or I've been smoking crack. Either one's equally fine.
Kind
Okay, I'm
We
willing.
got some crystals. Maybe they're shooting some crack rocks up there.
Oh, bro, let's inject some crack rocks into us. I feel scared down here. Pfft, you just left. When you can't have any more of some randos.
Dude, come on, let's go rush these guys.
Hold up, I need to grab some crack. Who's this?
I don't know.
I think my profile may have been banned.
What?
Where are you?
Oh, I accidentally fell.
Did he fall?
I don't know, but I accidentally fell.
Here I come.
Be careful, there's some guys over there.
Well, hopefully my crack glow doesn't glow. Wait, what? So guys, sometimes...
Oh crap, we need our one.
Why?
Have you seen?
Have you heard? Dick muncher.
I call that chest over there.
Alright,
Ooh, there's a medkit.
bye, I guess.
I got something.
I called it, if there's any chest in there, I called it.
No, I already did.
No, if there's
I
any
even got it
chest.
on gallon.
If there's any chest in the truck.
Oh, but I want this medkit. Oh, there's.
Oh, yes. I'm the greatest. Now that's just looping through my head for something. Bro, I have a purple burst if you didn't know. Maybe I'll be Tracer. I'm already Tracer. Oh, wait, remember, we aren't allowed to play any, music, because for me that would be copyright.
No, no. Ooh, some crack mushrooms.
Crack shrooms.
Actually,
Why aren't you running to circle? Look where the circle is.
yeah, I am. Hey, guess what? Did you know that we're in squads?
Yeah, I know.
Me too.
Well, you're a fucking
I'm
Nick.
not ready to chase it. God damn it! Now you got that song stuck in my head.
Same.
We're not gonna make it.
Yes, we can, if we just
Oh, wait.
believe.
I believe I can fly.
Bro, this is actually a one-ticker storm. I think we may be able to make it out. Do you have bandages?
I have a medkit.
Nice.
You have full, so that's good for you.
I have bandages too. Oh, about to enter the
Okay.
storm.
Then that's better.
Don't worry though.
I'm getting consumed right now. Okay.
Don't start using the med kit yet.
I'm only at 51 now. 50.
Use it when you start getting into the teens. We need to use our mats. Are you getting down to the teens?
The teens?
Yeah, teens. Are you?
Tilted?
No, are you getting down to the teens? In health?
No.
Okay, I recommend start using your med kit now.
The heck?
Use your med kit, come on.
15, 14, 12.
There we are,
If
69 health.
if we die, I'll heal you back up.
If you die, I'm gonna do my crying emote. I bought that.
Oh my god, you got that?
Yeah. Just so one of us die.
Why?
By the way, neither of us are gay. So if we say anything like that, don't think anything.
Oh my gosh. By the way, subscribe. Hit that notification, guys.
Oh, same with me.
Musically's account is Buttonubs.
Which is pretty stupid, I know, but...
Yeah, dude, they can't hear you, by the way, but I'll add auto to this. So, you guys don't worry, I'll bring my phone. I'll start recording on my phone. I just made it phonetically, but still.
I'm just imagining you practicing your lines and then on one you completely fuck up. Okay, I'll be Tracer. I'm already Tracer. Somebody lives
So
this
how you
place.
spell sickly is musically is you go B. Wait, is the B capitalized?
Yeah.
Okay, so the B is capitalized. UTER, and then no space. NU.
Yeah, because who would put a space on butter?
Me.
Really? You noob.
Yeah, but I'm not a noob. Hey, I got the Blockbuster skin, dude.
Yeah, so what
It was
does
hard.
that mean?
It was hard. Risky Reels was hard.
That sounds super gay. Risky Reels was hard.
By the way, his YouTube channel is Justin Hickman.
Yep.
J's capitalized.
And the H is capitalized.
I'm gonna go fight these guys.
No, don't fight. Don't fight.
Oh. He doesn't want me to fight him, guys. He thinks I'm too chicken.
No, it's not that. It's because the storm's coming.
He's riding up on us.
Yeah, this is the broadcasting system. Terrifying, I know. Right. Yeah, I know I'm correct. I'm just joking. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
I need some band-aids.
I have a med kit.
2?
Yeah.
Cool.
Here, let me drop you one.
There's 2 medkits, guys.
I like how
No
you...
time. Ooh, apples.
Apples. Hey, at least it isn't called Snapples.
Snap?
It's a 2-ticker.